In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up domain authentication in Sendgrid easily. Let's dive right in and ensure that your emails are validated and trusted by email providers, enhancing your email deliverability and safeguarding your reputation. First off, you'll want to visit the Sendgrid website. Once you're there, focus on finding the email API and email marketing campaign sections. This is where the magic will begin. When you reach this page, the next obvious step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, a moderately prominent feature on the page, and click it. Enter your credentials to log into your Sendgrid account, ensuring secure access to your dashboard. Once you are logged in, direct yourself to the main interface of Sendgrid. This is where you'll start navigating through settings to initiate domain authentication. Locate the settings option, which is typically positioned within the main menu or sidebar, making it easy to find. Click on Settings, and this will bring up various configuration options that you might use later for different purposes. But for today, we're focused on one specific area: sender authentication. In the settings section, look for sender authentication and click on it. What we're aiming to achieve here is to authenticate your domain, which is a recommended step to enhance your email sending capability. Once you click on sender authentication, you're presented with an option that says domain authentication recommended. Click on this to proceed. Now here comes the crucial part: authenticating your domain. You should see an option labeled Authenticate Your Domain. Clicking on this will guide you through the steps required to verify that you have control over the domain you're going to use for sending emails through Sendgrid. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will usually involve adding some DNS records to your domain settings. While performing these steps, if you are uncertain about any technical details, don't hesitate to consult your domain provider's help resources, or even reach out to their support for guidance on updating DNS settings. Keep in mind that changes in DNS settings might take some time to propagate. Patience is key here, and that's it. You've set up domain authentication in Sendgrid. This process not only improves the reliability of your email, but also helps in preventing your messages from being misidentified as spam. With better deliverability, you're poised to engage more effectively with your audience. Thanks for following along, and until next time, happy emailing.